Sausages with broccoli and pesto. If you love sausages, today's recipe is perfect for you. This baked sausages with broccoli and pesto recipe is easy and fairly quick to make, and is one of those all-in-one casserole dishes that is ideal for weekday dinners. You can enjoy the leftovers the next day, and you can even use them to make a leftovers spaghetti dish. Ingredients: 3 Sicilian sausages, or other Italian sausages. 30 grams grated parmesan cheese. 1 large onion. Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. Belmorso basil pesto. 3 tablespoons blitzed Belmorso traditional tarallini. 1 small broccoli or half a large one, and 4 medium potatoes. Preparation. Start by placing a pot with water to boil and salting. While the water boils, wash and cut your vegetables, both potatoes and broccoli. You want to cut the potatoes into medium slices and the broccoli into medium florets. Add the vegetables to the boiling water and leave to cook for 15 minutes. In the meantime, peel and slice the onion, and set it aside in a bowl. Blitz your tarallini unless you already have some blitzed. It's a good time-saving hack to blitz half a pack, or an entire pack of tarallini. Store it in a jar, and leave it in your pantry for cooking. Take your casserole of choice for the baked sausages, and drizzle a generous amount of Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. Transfer the vegetables to the casserole. Season with salt and black pepper. Add the grated parmesan. Next, add the blitzed tarallini. Use a tablespoon to fold both the parmesan and the tarallini breading into the vegetables. Drizzle more extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Now add the onion, making sure you separate it, so that the slices are thin and evenly spread across the casserole. Take the tablespoon and fold the onion with the rest of the ingredients. Next, remove the sausages from their skin. Break them into roughly sized pieces, and add them to the casserole, spreading them evenly. Again, use a tablespoon to fold in the sausages. Finally, open your jar of Belmorso basil pesto and add half a jar, 1 teaspoon at a time, spreading it evenly across the top of the casserole. Bake in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, depending on how long it takes for your broccoli and potatoes to cook. To know, simply use a fork to test whether the vegetables are cooked after 40 minutes. Take out of the oven, leave to cool for a few minutes, and serve with some crunchy bread. Buon appetito!